Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to change name on Etoro. So let's get started guys. So just go to your Etoro website and then log in with your account. So there's a twist guys that Etoro does not allow you to change your username or name. So there's no such option to change your username or let's say name. So instead, what you can do is just follow me, guys. On your left hand side, just scroll and go to settings and then go to account and then just scroll up all the way down and choose close your eToro account. So over here, you can close your eToro account and then start a fresh new account with the name that you want. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I mean, it might help you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.